13 Killer Tips to Structure Your First UX Design Portfolio. Your portfolio is the key to showcasing your skills, expertise, and passion for user experience design. 1. Define your goals and target audience. Freelancers, show potential clients your versatility by including a range of projects in your portfolio, from small-scale redesigns to comprehensive design solutions. 2. Showcase your best work. Curate a selection of your best work that demonstrates your skills and expertise as a UX designer. 3. Tell a story with your case studies. Case studies are the backbone of your UX portfolio. 4. Include personal projects and collaboration. These projects can showcase your passion for UX design and your ability to work well with others. 5. Empower your portfolio with strong UX. Your portfolio should not only showcase your design skills but also exemplify good UX practices. 6. Share your design process and philosophy. Your portfolio should not only showcase your work but also give potential employers or clients insight into your design process and philosophy. 7. Showcase your soft skills. In addition to your design skills, your portfolio should highlight your soft skills, such as communication, collaboration, and time management. 8. Keep your portfolio up to date. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects, blog posts, and professional development activities to show potential employers or clients that you're staying current in your field. 9. Promote your portfolio. Share your portfolio on your social media profiles, connect with other UX designers on Behance or Dribbble, and participate in design communities to gain exposure and build your network. 10. Seek feedback and iterate. Your portfolio should be an evolving reflection of your skills and growth as a UX designer. 11. Showcase your professional network. Your connections within the UX design community can be an asset to your portfolio. 12. Demonstrate your growth and learning. Showcase your growth as a UX designer by highlighting the challenges you've faced and the lessons you've learned from each project. 13. Add a personal touch. Include a personal statement or an About Me section that highlights your interests outside of UX design, your values, and your unique perspective. Conclusion. In conclusion, structuring your first UX design portfolio can be a challenging but rewarding process,